Hello guys. Today we learn about how to use item control option in Ultimate Portfolio. In the previous video we taught how to use pagination option in Ultimate Portfolio. If you need this video, please find a link in the description, or click on card to watch that video. Click on item control option, enable, download icon, link icon and search icon is visible on the image. This is search icon, link icon and download icon. Now enable the video icon. The video icon is not visible because all the items are images. I am editing an image and putting a video address in it. After entering video address, video icon appears on edit page. Now click on update button and go to main page and refresh the page. Video is not playing because lightbox is disabled. Now go to edit page, lightbox enable. Go to lightbox option. Title for lightbox, description for lightbox, thumbnail for lightbox, share icon for lightbox, download icon for lightbox. All settings show on main page. Click on update button, go to main page and refresh a page. The video link has been successfully added to your page. Go to edit page, click on custom CSS option. You can utilize custom CSS, do not use style tag. To change the title and description of an uploaded item, click on the uploaded item settings. The title and description part is currently not editable. To make this part editable, go to General Settings. Enable Display Captions. Choose Custom Caption Source. Activate Display Description, choose Custom Description Caption Source. Go to the item settings again. Now the title and description are editable. You can edit the title and description. Now click on update button and go to main page and refresh the page. Title and description are displayed on the lightbox. This is a lightbox control, full screen button. Allows you to play and pause slideshow. Share slide, download slide, and toggle thumbnail display on and off.